But if a person then can become so familiar with the old self, is it possible then that they can become familiar with a new self? Can they begin to think about the thoughts they do want to fire and wire in their brain, and with attention in the present moment, can they begin to fire and wire those thoughts until they become more automatic and it's the new voice in their head? Can they begin to sit down and review how they're going to be in one day, who they're going to be when they start their day or open their eyes? And I started coming across all this research on mental rehearsal, which means when you plan an act, when you review what you're going to do, the act of imagining it and rehearsing it begins to change the brain to look like you already did it. You're installing the neurological hardware in preparation for the event. And if you keep firing and wiring, that hardware is going to become a software program, and you're going to automatically behave that way. Your body is going to begin to become conditioned by a new mind. Are you with me still? And if you keep practicing that over and over again, it's going to begin to become more familiar to you. And then, if we can teach our body emotionally what the future would feel like before it happened, that you don't wait for your wealth to feel abundance. You don't wait for your healing to feel gratitude. You don't wait for your new relationship to feel love, or the mystical moment to feel awe, or success to feel empowered. That's waiting for something out there in the environment to change, to take away the emptiness or lack that we feel inside of us. So then if you can teach your body emotionally what that future would feel like before it happened, and the body would be so objective that it would begin to believe it was living in that future in the present moment, you would begin to condition the body emotionally to be in the future instead of the past. And if you kept making those heart-centered chemicals, is it possible then it would begin to become familiar to you?